Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on live activities so the system can display real-time updates. Open Settings and go straight to Face ID and passcode. Once there, enable the live activities toggle and authenticate with your passcode or Face ID. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb settings won't suppress them, because permissions control visibility. Check Allowed Notifications and lock screen access. This ensures the feature is active and ready before you launch any app that supports it. Now you'll trigger a live activity from an app that supports it. Open the app, find the Start Live Activity control, and tap it. Some apps label it as Begin Live Activity or Show a Live card. Once you tap, the system creates a persistent session that updates on the lock screen and dynamic island if available. Make sure background app refresh and any required location permissions are granted, because the app needs to push updates. If you deny them, updates will stop or be delayed. To finish, end the live activity from the lock screen by long pressing the live card and tapping End, or open the app and stop the session there. Once done, the updates cease and the card disappears. That's how you control lifecycle. If updates are missing, force close the app, restart your iPhone, and verify app permissions and background app refresh. If problems persist, update the app. Developers sometimes fix live activity issues in new builds. Reinstall only if other steps don't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.